So if I was going to start my mineral journey all over again, these are the 3 things I would do first. So number 1 would be really prioritizing potassium-rich foods. Potassium is so helpful as far as weight loss and metabolism goes. It's helpful for your blood sugar and insulin, for your thyroid, for your energy levels. So I would really start planning those high potassium foods into my day. So breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks. Number 2, related to that, is start drinking an adrenal cocktail. It is literally just orange juice and coconut water, a little bit of salt, and that's it. You really can't screw it up. Of course, there's a million different recipes out there. Of course, find one that works for you. What I'm loving right now is mixing some collagen or whey protein powder into my adrenal cocktail and drinking it before, during, after my workouts, because obviously you need energy, you need protein, you need carbs for your workouts in order to build muscle. So that's when I like to drink it. And number 3 would be probably to add in some magnesium and maybe a little bit of supplementation. Of course, high magnesium foods, but I'm also a big fan of magnesium lotion or a spray. I just feel like I use body lotion a lot in the winter because it's cold and dry here. So it's just an easy way to absorb magnesium into your body. And it's an easy way to get it. So if you guys want some more tips and tricks, grab my free mineral guide. Comment below.